Assalamualaikum. We are going to learn how to create beautiful Kufic calligraphy of Quranic verse Rabbir hamahuma kama Rabayaani Sagheera, which translate to "O Lord, have mercy on them. Parents, just they brought me when I was young." To start, we are going to create a watercolor background using some color markers and plastic sheet. Take your plastic sheet and lay it flat. Next, choose your desired color. Draw random pattern. Make sure to use enough ink to spread the color around easily. After it, gently apply water. This helps to spread the colors and create a beautiful watercolor background. Now let the sheet dry out complete. Next, we are going to write the ayat on our tracing with the help of black acrylic paint using a brush. Begin with the word Rabbi, writing Ra in diagonal stroke. Remember to take your time and try to maintain a consistent pace and pressure while writing. And there we have it, a beautiful piece of calligraphy, Rabbir hamahuma kama Rabayaani Sagheera. Basically, it's a dua for our parents in Kufic style with stunning watercolor background. Make it serve as a reminder for all of us to seek the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to always remember His blessing. Thanks for watching. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. Hope you enjoyed the video.